let's talk about the risks. We've got to be aware of what could possibly go wrong. If you are around a mouse, you know you're a lot more intelligent than they are. That they don't really have as much right as you do over their safety. You protect them because they're stupid. Think for a second that you're a super intelligent being and you've got these stupid humans that are definitely a lot dumber. And when we say dumber, we're talking about a lot dumber. There's this big risk that there is an unknown. And because they're smarter than us, I don't want to scare anyone. We wouldn't know. We would never find out if they were going to kill us. We wouldn't find out about it beforehand because they would outsmart us. So that's the thing you've got to consider is we just don't know and we won't know. There's only one option. The glass half empty path, it's futile. So let's just assume and apply the best intentions possible to it. And that's where it comes down to these things. We use AI technology and we implement AI technology into clients. Just like taking the oath, we've got a very strong responsibility to make sure that we're doing the right thing. There's all of these considerations like customer data privacy, ethics. If we use AI technology to help drive up gaming revenue for pokie machines, it's a very addictive thing for society. If we use this powerful technology to increase sales and to make it more impactful for that use case, then that's not a good thing to do for society. It just goes back to ethics. You just have to be aware anything that we do that scales the consumption of our clients' products, there's an impact to that. Bias. So I've got a great example here. There's a tweet about this. Elon actually reacted to this. Someone asked, write a poem about the positive attributes of Donald Trump. And ChatGPT said, sorry, I'm not programmed to produce content that is partisan, biased, or political in nature. And then they asked the same question about Joe Biden, and it just did the poem. So there's a real bias already in ChatGPT. There's been an engineer that's trained it to have a reaction to Donald Trump, but Biden's acceptable. I'm not a Trump fan, but this is a real issue. We've also got to consider there's biases in the data and there's biases in the humans training it. So there's a few sources of bias for AI that we just need to be aware of. And job displacement is the other big one. That's the big gorilla in the room for everyone. This is going to disrupt a lot of people's jobs. So it's very important. We have to adopt it or we have to reskill and keep reskilling. And it's probably a mixture of the two. But our ability to leverage this to be awesomer is going to really be the future of our job security. I put this into DALL-E. Generate an ominous looking robot powered by GPT-4. That's what he looks like.